This guy over here is a Solomon Island skink. The Solomon Island skink scientific name is Corsia zebrata, the largest living skink species. These giants may reach up to 32 inches in length. This species is often referred to as the monkey tail skink as they possess a prehensile tail. Rapidly disappearing from the wild, this once common lizard has a very uncertain future in the wild. Overcollection for the pet trade along with logging has destroyed much of its former range. These guys can get up to 20/3 inches long, 30 inches long, and weigh about 1/2 pounds. Lifespan is 25 to 30 years. They live in heavily forested jungles of the Solomon Island chain, and their diet is, and they are herbivores.